right, Sean, let's go. They're out here.
Alright.
Alright, we're ready.
Alright, hold on.
All parties are present. Oh God, did someone give Jeff a lighter?
I hope not, man.
Where is
I
the,
fucking hope not.
I'm gonna start off with a couple little Roman candles. Ready?
Yeah, man. All right, here we go. We're gonna start with a couple Roman candles, and we're gonna get into our big shit, man. We're gonna, in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna set off at least $600 worth of shit. I have a bunch of fucking giant fireworks.
Nice.
Did I spend? I don't believe I spent money on these little piddly shits, man. But we have big fireworks coming after these bullshits. So here comes some rockets he's lighting off with the torch right now. There we go. Big rockets. There we go. Let's go.
As we see 700 things just light over there.
Well, I think that's the bulk of the big fireworks for the night. That was easily, I don't know, man, that was about fucking $1,500, $1,600 worth of shit. I still have some more, but that was a real big grand finale we just put off for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, man. I'm gonna wrap up the stream. I'm gonna post I have a GoPro video I'm gonna post on YouTube too to commemorate the night. But let me just go walk in. God, my phone is so dirty, man. But there's the spot. There's all the peoples, man. Big chill on 4th of July. Fuck yeah, man. All right, I'm gonna shut this off. Y'all be good. Y'all be good, man. Happy 4th of July. Got an hour of fireworks video, man.
Fuck yeah.